In this video today, we will see what to do if your phone does not automatically connect to a saved Wi-Fi network. Now there can be two reasons for that one. The first thing is if the password of the Wi-Fi network is changed, then your phone will not connect to the Wi-Fi network automatically. So you need to make sure that the password of the Wi-Fi network is not changed. Now the other thing is you have to go to settings, you have to go to connections, you have to go to the Wi-Fi, and suppose if this is the Wi-Fi to which your phone is not connecting automatically, then what you need to do is you need to tap and hold on the Wi-Fi network name, go to manage network settings, and make sure that this option auto reconnect is enabled. If this is enabled, then your device will connect to the Wi-Fi network automatically. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and also click on the subscribe button to get the notification of our latest videos for free.